Here at the Mausoleum, you can see it over my right shoulder. Let's take a look. Just got the car wash. It's looking new. Of course it is new. So there we have it. Decent progress since the last time I was here. They turned the radio down. The radio. Oh, we got the gravel and sand. The empty bags of cement. Got the mixing station here. Got our kalung from the house they're using for supply runs and water. So there's no running water here. Is there going to be running water over here ever? Or we'd have to have a well dug? And
we already have a well.
Okay.
Dug. There's supposed to be running water, but it's really, really slow.
Cinder blocks.
But we have one over there already put in.
So here you have it. They poured the second floor. They've got the supports there for a couple weeks. They've probably been there. They did it over the weekend, so it's only been, it's Fridays? It hasn't been quite a week. They leave them up 2 weeks. There's where the stairway is going to go up to the second level. Window on each side. Let's go take a look up this ladder. Here we got the second floor. Yes, indeed. There's the, that's the bathroom right there? They got a bathroom right there with the door. This is the balcony, a window on each side. The roof's on. Now I gotta go down the ladder without falling. Then we got the guy out here mowing the lawn with his tractor. Looks like they got some kind of burial thing going on over there. Not sure. Old McDonald had a farm. Mount Riot in the background. I got a burial plot with a view. Or I should say mausoleum. So there it is, the progress so far. Just a short update on the mausoleum at Palm Garden Memorial Garden, something like that. I never get it right. Anyhow, yeah, Red Living Philippines, thumbs up, thumbs down, subscribe, leave a comment. Have a good day. Later.